everyone. In the previous video we had completed our chapter and today we are going to recapitulate this whole. Okay, so name of the chapter was the right clothes to wear. Clear? So here are some aims. So what about the aims to learn this chapter? Know about the different kinds of material used for making clothes and select clothes suited to the different weather. Learn how to take care of clothes. So these three aims were there to learn this chapter, to read this chapter. Okay, alright, like the first one was know about the different kinds of materials. So there are a lot of variety of fabric that we use to wear in the means according to the different weather or season. And next we have select clothes suited to the different weather. That means what kind of fabric do you need to wear in the different kind of weathers. Okay, and next last one was learn how to take care of your clothes. So if we are wearing means a different kind of huge variety of clothes, then it is our need and it is our responsibility to take care of these so that we can use these as long lasting. Okay, so the first topic was there, why do we need clothes. Okay, so this was our first topic. And why do we need clothes? Like we need clothes to means protect our body from dust, heat, cold, rain, and even the insect bites. So these fabrics, these clothes help us to protect us from these kind of things. Okay, next one is there material for clothes. So what are the different materials that we use for making our different kind of stuffs of our fabrics. Okay, so the only two were there, like natural and synthetic. These two things you learned. Okay, natural fibers, that means we get from the different parts of animals and plants. Okay, like we get fibers like cotton, jute, and linen from the plants. Okay, these are the things that we get from the plants. And wool, silk, and animal fur to wear. So these are the things which we get from the animals. And the next one we have synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers, these are man-made fibers. Okay, like people make this fiber in the means big factories. Okay, and nylon, rain, and polyester can be the examples for this. Okay, and next we have the clothes we wear. That means what are the different clothes that we wear according to the even climatic conditions and even our according to our rituals and our culture also, we can say. Like you can see these pictures. So these are Indians, okay, but from the different areas. So they are wearing different dresses according to their culture. Clear? And if we talk about our climatic conditions, okay, like we are native of Punjab and here means hot summers and chilling winters we have, right? So if summers are there, then what fabric do you prefer to wear? Yes, only cotton, because it is it can pass through air. It clear. And in the winters we need to wear thick clothes because we know very well, means we are habitual with our chilling winters in Punjab, right? And even we have some national dresses, like India, it has a sari, and kimono, it's a dress of Japan. Okay, it's a women's national dress that a Japanese women wear. Clear? And even we have these kind of special clothes, like an army officer, it wears only these kind of thick stuff so that it not be torn away easily. And like doctors and some other profession, they wear white coat onto it. And even if we talk about the lawyers, they wear their black coat. Clear? So these are the different special clothes that they wear according to their profession. So the next one is to wear socks and shoes. If we are covering our whole body, then why our feet should be bare? Okay, so We also need to protect our means the feet from like dust, heat, cold and germs, and even some worms also. So that is why shoes and socks are also very important aspect of our dressing sense. Clear? And the last topic is care of clothes. So what we wear, we should means take care of these kind of clothes, like when you are going to wash your dress or your clothes, okay, then water should be squeezed properly out of these so that it can means dry faster. Clear? And some special clothes, special fabric like silk and wool, they should means they should be washed with the special care only. Okay. And if we talk about the patient's clothes, it should be disinfected, because we know very well patient has so many germs onto its clothes. Okay, so that is why we should be disinfect these kind of things. Clear? And next we have storing of clothes. So how do we need to store the clothes? So these can be stored properly. So like seasonal clothes, they should be stored with some mothballs onto it, because these mothballs means protect the clothes from the insects. Okay, so these are all the topics of this chapter, and in the next video we will continue with our back exercise, and its question answers also we will solve. Okay, so till that you need to practice whole this chapter.